Hey folks, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about ChatGPT Plus. Is it worth 20 bucks a month? What do you get? So probably the two coolest things that you get from ChatGPT Plus are this: the selection of the model. Okay, the default model is probably what you're used to. I could say, write me a 250 word blog post about anything. And we're using the default model here, and you can see it's going pretty quickly. You know, the importance of self-care in our busy lives, 250 words. Okay, you can see that. I'm gonna create a new one, do a new model, and this one is turbo, and say write me a 250 word blog post about anything, same question. So it goes 2 or 3 times quicker. And also the user interface as a whole is much snappier. Like, you can go between this, there's no crashing going on, none of that stuff. I clicked away from that, so there was an error. Oh. Sometimes you have to refresh still. Oh, there you go. There's the blog post. Just wasn't loading. So the website's still not perfect. I'm not going to say that ChatGPT Plus fixes everything. No website's really perfect. Let's try and clear some. These were broken before. You know, being able to delete these old conversations, that was kind of broken. Let's see if I can clear all of them. Yeah, that didn't work before. We got 2 new models. This works better. I have an account here. ChatGPT Plus, 20 bucks a month. This is the same. You can do this on the unpaid, and that's it. There's really nothing else to click on. But in my opinion, this turbo model is much, for a lot of the things you might be doing. You know, it's like, you know what I asked it before? Sometimes I want to ask it a quick question, like, how do I do a find and replace in the PyCharm IDE? You know, this is good for turbo because I don't want to sit there and let it wait. I want a quick response for an easy request. You know, Control R or Command R on Mac. Easy. You know, I didn't know that was the shortcut, Control R for find and replace, because on a Mac, you know, Command H, which would be find and replace, that hides it, you know. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's it's just some thoughts on ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button. If you made it this far, hit the subscribe button.